Hi, welcome to the York Community Resource Centre, also known as the CRC. Come in and take a look inside. Our staff are here to help with bookings, services and community information. We provide Services Australia access right here and support if you need it. This larger space is great for training, courses and community events. We have Emma here today, setting up for one of our events tonight. We have AV equipment available in the function room, just bring your own laptop. And we have free tea and coffee. And if you follow me out this way, we'll show you the after hours access. Have our back car park and also access for disability. Right, follow me back in and we'll show you the rest of the centre. Bathrooms on here. And follow me through to our hot office. And we hire this space out. Follow me and we'll take you through to the lumen room. The Lumen Wheatbelt Regional Study Hub supports uni and TAFE students with free Wi-Fi, printing and on-site support. Follow me through to the boardroom. We also have our boardroom for hire, perfect for meetings and workshops. Okay, follow me and I'll introduce you to Sam. Sam is our manager for Community in Place. Whether you're working, studying or connecting with your community, the York CRC is here for you.